increasing its sea power. In honor of the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, on her maiden visit to Meghalaya, a civic reception was accorded to her by the government of Meghalaya at Raj Bhavan, Shillong last evening. The President was felicitated by Governor Phagu Chauhan, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Health Minister Dr. Emperin Lingdo, and General Secretary of Sinjuk Kirangba Shnong Arbla. In her address, President Murmu lauded the natural beauty of Meghalaya while hoping that the newly inaugurated projects would boost the economy of the state and bring about inclusive and holistic development. Citing the Act East policy of the Government of India, the President recommended Meghalaya and all the northeastern states to work in mission mode to ensure connectivity, employment and infrastructure in Northeast in view of the strategic location that the region holds as India's gateway to Southeast Asia. A cultural program showcasing the unique traditions and customs of the Khasi, Garo and Jaintia tribes was also organized on the occasion.
Initiatives like the Shillong IT Park and the Meghalaya Broadband Policy 2018 have helped Meghalaya's IT sector achieve new heights. A vibrant IT ecosystem, educational institutions such as NIT and IIM combined with pleasant weather and lower operational cost give Meghalaya a comparative advantage to be a global hub for IT services in this era of data and information.
Health and Family Welfare Minister Emperin